Hi, the topic we are going to see for today's class is clause. A group of words consisting of a subject and verb is called clause. On the other hand, a phrase is just a group of words which does not have a subject or verb. See the example, the children are playing in the ground. The first part of the sentence, that is, the children are playing, has both the subject and verb. So it is the clause of the sentence, whereas the second part of the sentence in the ground does not have verb and subject. So it is simply a group of words which is called phrase. A clause can either be a complete or an incomplete sentence, but a phrase is not at all a sentence. A clause can either be independent or dependent. Independent clause is otherwise called main clause. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. On the other hand, dependent or subordinate clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb but does not express a complete thought. For example, the host was surprised when we arrived early to the party. The first part of the sentence, the host was surprised, is complete. But the second part, when we arrived early to the party, is dependent and incomplete. So the first part is an independent clause, the second part is a dependent clause. And there are three kinds of dependent or subordinate clause. They are noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. We will discuss them one by one. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Noun clauses begin with words such as how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, and why. For example, what Kevin said made his family happy. Whoever spilled the milk should clean it up. Next is adverb clause. An adverbial clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb. That is, the entire clause modifies a verb, an adjective, or another verb. I mean another adverb. Example, give me a call when you get back from your trip. You must keep practicing the song until you get it right. The last type, adjective clause. Adjective clauses are otherwise called relative clauses. They are a type of subordinate clause that acts as adjectives. The whole clause does the job of an adjective. For example, the tiger which was angry snarled at me. The woman who looked happy danced across the street. Thank you.